In this video, we are going to learn about how to customize your checkout page in MYFUNDBOX. Once you have logged into your MYFUNDBOX account, go to Configuration from the menu. Click on Customize your checkout page. In Brand Settings, click on Change Submit Button Text to change the Submit button text, and click on Change Background Color option to change background color, and choose your preferred background color. To change the color of the text, click on the Change Text Color option and choose your preferred text color. Now to change the color of Submit button, click on the Change Submit Button Color option and choose your preferred Submit button color. Click on Publish Changes to save your changes. Now click on Preferences. You can enable the toggles to collect customer details like address, contact number, company name, etc., and disable it to avoid the same. Now click on the Success page. To edit the success message based on your preference, click on Change your success message. To change background color, click on Background Color and choose your preferred background color. To change text color, click on Change Text Color and choose your preferred text color. The next step in the To change icon color, which can be done by clicking on Change Icon Color and choosing your preferred icon color. Lastly, to change the color of Submit button, click on Change Submit Button Color and select your preferred color. Now to change the button text, click on Change Button Text and enter your preferred text. Click on Social Media to open the drop-down. Enter the links of your company's social media handles for your customers to visit. Click Publish Changes to save your changes. To view your customized checkout page, go to Plans and copy-paste the pay link in a new window. You have successfully customized your checkout page in MYFUNDBOX.